Hey, this is Skins, and this is Grins. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion of the world. You can acknowledge me as the head of the Sushi Buffet. So we got Enchilada and Pollo with no rice. I don't know why. I got a taco here. There's no, yeah, but that name is messed up. I don't know why. And some stuff here. Outside here. So let's step into this. Okay, so we can like this. Double this out, I think. Yeah, so see if it's this. That's good. And now here, I will do this. Let's just see if it's this. Wow. Wow. So good. Wow. And now, a taco to see if it's this. So good. And now Tostito. So see if it's this. Wow. So good. And that's it for because I love food. So, I was in Bowman's Road, and an hour is a Friday Night SmackDown. And that was what's going on. And yeah, that's it. And tomorrow is back-to-back pay-per-views. I'll do by predictions, predictions. NXT Devil in the House and Hannah Cell. I'll do that on my Reddit channel. You can check it out. So, I'm sorry y'all. So, thank you for watching all of my videos. You know so guys. You know, somebody like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget the bell. Never miss an upload. And please, 1 second, and sponsor me on my YouTube channel. This Skins YouTube channel. And this Reddit channel, please. And please don't share to your and friends. And please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you don't die, I have this video. Sushi, yeah.